What is going on, everyone? Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Umami Hunter. I'm Zach, and today we are going to be cooking up a dish very near and dear to my heart, oxtail stew. Now, for those who have not had oxtail stew before, you do not know what you are missing out on. It is the most flavorful, fatty, beefy, fall off the bone tender stew you will ever have in your life. It reminds me of my mom's cooking, it reminds me of family dinners, and every time I eat it, it just makes me feel warm and comfortable inside. This will change your perception of traditional beef stew. It is that good. Let me show you which ingredients I'm working with here. For those who have not seen oxtail stew before, this is pretty much what it is. It's a tail, an ox's tail, chopped up into pieces. These are the ingredients I'm working with today. Yellow onion, yellow sweet onion, fresh garlic, about 5 carrots. Gonna use some of these celery hearts, Worcestershire sauce, a special blend of spices here. I have garlic powder, Italian seasoning, black pepper, 2 bay leaves, a couple potatoes, 1 cup exactly of red wine. I used Cabernet. Tomato paste, fresh tomatoes, and I'm gonna mix in some Better Than Bouillon. Just to show you real quick, I rinsed and then seasoned these oxtails with some Lowry seasoned salt. You want to brown and sear this meat to bring out that flavor right off the bat. The reason why I don't put the veggies in yet is because I don't want it soft and mushy like it came out of a can of vegetable soup. The oxtail is already really soft, so you don't want your veggies to be extremely soft either. You want them to have a little bit of texture to them. Once this oxtail is finished, and I depressurize. I'm gonna put the vegetables in and set the timer again on high for about 8 minutes, and that should make the vegetables just perfectly cooked. What to do with 42 minutes on my hands? I guess I have no excuse. I gotta get a workout in.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal.
It's a good workout. And now, let's put the veggies in. I like to turn it off when I depressurize, so you can see how it looks. Oh wow, that looks super rich. It smells, wow, it's really fragrant. Get those veggies up in there, into those juices. I want to make sure that they're all mixed in. Once everything cools, I'm gonna put it into the fridge, and we are gonna eat it tomorrow actually, because oxtail stew, the flavor, it tastes so much better the next day. 8 more minutes and we are done. Day 2, and this is what we're working with here. Just pulled it out of the fridge, about to pop it in the Instapot and heat it up for about I think I could do about 2 minutes on high, and it'll be just right. The smell coming off this is better than any bouquet of flowers. I think if I got these in a bouquet, I'd be super happy. Look at that. Look at that. So I'm going to check the consistency of the gravy. I mean, you know what? Normally, I'd mix a little cornstarch in. This is pretty consistent already. I'm gonna just eat it like this because it's not soupy and it's not like gravy. No joke, I'm straight up salivating right now. I could feel it right here. I'm looking and smelling this, and I'm starving, and yeah, my mouth is watering. I could feel it. I'm ready. Try the veggies, see how they came out. Yeah, the potato has that texture to it. It's just right. Celery still has the celery-like consistency. The veggies just absorbed all those, the broth, the sauce, the juice. I'm gonna hit up the meat now. The star of the show. Ooh. Oh man. Wow. Wow. Wow, that's so tender, so flavorful. Lost for words. I'm just going for more. I done talking. Oh man. Oh, that's just right. I've made this a lot. This might be one of the best pots yet. Wow. If you want to join, if you if you want to join me on my next umami food discovery trip, or back in my kitchen where I'm going to be experimenting with more recipes like this, don't forget to click on that subscribe button. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.